Gwen Polakowski with you again, and this is Getting Comfortable with LinkedIn. In today's episode, let's talk about how to add your name pronunciation to your LinkedIn profile. This is huge because you want to help people to pronounce your name correctly, and this is a fairly new feature that LinkedIn has added, and a really good one. It really helps others to sort of imagine and understand how to say your name correctly, and people want to do that. So don't feel like you have to create an English name. You don't have to change your name to Bob or Susan just to be easy. But it is really helpful if you teach English-speaking people how to say your name correctly. Okay, so here's how to do it. First thing is to tap on your profile photo or the icon where your photo should be. Hopefully you're going to add it soon if it's not there yet. So that's step one. When you do that, you're going to see an icon with a pencil, and this will allow you to edit. So tap on that pencil icon and you'll get to edit intro. You're going to see your first and last names, and then just below that you'll have the opportunity to record your name pronunciation. Just tap on a record name pronunciation. You'll see a big blue dot come up. So when you're ready to record, just hold it down and record your name while you're doing that. Make sure that you're keeping your name within 10 seconds. That's pretty easy. Normally 10 seconds is a long time to say your name. And also make sure that you're saying your name really clearly and pronouncing each syllable. So for instance, my name is quite long. My family name has 4 syllables. I want to clearly say Polakowski, right? So that people can, copy it and be able to say it correctly. Another problem people have with my name is they kind of mix up my first and family name. So I want to have a little pause in between Gwen and Polakowski. So I'll record my name like Gwen Polakowski. That will let people know clearly that my first name is Gwen and my family name is Polakowski. So another tip that LinkedIn has is to make sure that you're recording in a situation that doesn't have a lot of background noise. But you already know that. So once you record, you can click the same big blue dot that has now a play button there to hear your name. You can see if you like it or not. If you do, you can go ahead and save it. If you don't like it, delete it and try it again. Just remember to save at the end for whichever one that you decide that you want to keep. Okay, that has been how to add your name pronunciation to LinkedIn. And this is another big part of asserting yourself, is showing the value of saying your name correctly. So please do this. It's fast and easy, and you can take care of it in a really short time. This has been another episode of Getting Comfortable Using LinkedIn. I'm Gwen Polakowski. I'll talk to you in the next episode about more steps that you can use to get comfortable using LinkedIn.